Hey guys, welcome back to 4Kids Daily Adventure, and today we're going to make pizza, Hawaiian and pineapple. But you can choose any flavor that you would like, or not flavor. Yeah, you can choose any toppings to put on your pizza. And now we'll make the pizza. We got the pizza crust and we're gonna trying it out. It comes with dough, and you need a pan to spread it on. Set aside. We need oil to make the crust crunchy. After you are done, you take a spoon, you get pizza sauce, and you spread it around the pizza. But you don't want to cover too much on the edges because that will be your crust. Yeah. I have a lot of cheese, man. Oops. Just in case, if you don't have enough cheese, you should at least have another pack of cheese. And make sure you don't have like cheese on the pan or it will melt and it'll probably be really hard to get off. The cheese, and now it's time for toppings. You can do any toppings, and we prefer pineapple and ham. So we're going to do it like Hawaiian style. Make sure you set the temperature for the pizza 425 degrees for 7 minutes, or based on your pizza dough's instructions. 425, start. Bing. I can't wait for pizza. Nom, 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 just like Pac-Man. Now you can wait. Hey, the oven's ready. So now we're gonna put the pizzas in. Make sure you stand away when you open it, so you don't like get through. Yeah. And you set another timer. For 7 minutes. I keep trying to put things to it. Muppets. Ethan Alley. That's delighting. Would you like to stay over to eat some with me? That would be fine. I have time. I'll bring some tea. Okay. Towel down, because it's really hot, and put on oven mitts so you don't burn your hands. I hope you enjoy your pizza and this video. See you next time.